Page 70, a trial flight. This is a nice little piece dealing with arpeggios, broken chords or rolled chords, plus it has triplets, plus you're moving all over the place. Oh boy. Let's start this in the key of F major, 1 flat, and we're starting out with an F chord way down here. Take those 3 notes together. And then in the right hand, they do the next 3 down here. It's still a 1 chord, it's an F chord, so it's all you're doing until you get up to the top, and then it's 1, 2, 3. Triplets, 1 and a 2 and a 1 and is a 2/4 time. 1 and a 2 and a 1 and a 2 and a blah 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 blah, like so. Then the last 2 measures of each line are these chords. The first line is here. I recommend the right hand and the last measure be a 2/5, because you just did a 1/5, just do a 2/5. So then you do that arpeggio again. And then the second line, second measure, the right hand starts on second finger, not thumb. This puts you in position for the chords. And you gotta be natural there, look out. Third line, you're back to thumb on the, and then the last line, it's written here, but it has an 8VA on it, so you're going to have to play up here. Second measure, same thing, an 8VA above it, so instead of here, it's here. And then the third measure, the last line, is staccato. It's the only line that has staccato in it. Dynamic wise, at the top it's MP, medium soft, and that's the only dynamic you get till you get down to the last line. So you want to vary that a little bit. Kind of once you learn it, what can you go up or down, a little louder, a little softer, somewhere in there? Maybe just growing there in the second measure a little bit, and then coming down. Or maybe you want to crescendo those last 2 measures. Ta-da! Experiment with this. Maybe you want a decrescendo, maybe you want a crescendo, I don't know. But then in the last line you're starting out loud, and in the second measure you have that decrescendo to come down, because you're coming down from loud to soft, and then you're soft. And I'm talking about the top note in the right hand. That's what we want to hear. Now the showing pedal in here at the last measure of the first 3 lines, and I don't understand why. Frankly, I'd leave the pedal out. You don't need pedal in this piece at all. So my opinion, just don't pedal this piece. Now the tempo is on a motto, which is animated. So I guess, if an airplane's going to fly, you're going to animate it. So 1, 2, 1 and a 2 and a. Now animated is your animated, not my animated. So you have to decide if this is your animated, that's good enough. If that's animated for you, fine, go for it. And that's about it as far as that goes. I'm going to play this really, really slowly. If you'd like to play along with me, go ahead. I'm going to count in 4 counts. That's 4 quarter notes. I just play through the whole thing, and I'm not going to use pedal on this. I don't see any point in that. So hands are here to start. 1, 2, ready and go, and 1 and 2 and 2. 2. 2.